Hey guys, Fits and Fun here. I want to share something that I just learned today that really is annoying as heck. You hear that little clicking noise there? That is coming from my router. I did not know this. I have the Rode mic, the external Rode mic attached. I had just filmed a little tutorial on my new Samsung Gear VR headset, and this little clicking noise was through the whole entire video, and I could not for the life of me figure it out. It's because it's a rainy day. I was going to do it outside. I did it inside, and it's next to my router, and this clicking. Now watch. Okay, I'm going to move away from my router. Let's just take it out here without falling on my butt. Is it starting to go away? Let's go. Okay, let's come out in the hallway and shut the door. Boom. There you go. The router. I was in the same room as the router, and apparently that's all it took for this to catch those impulses or pulses or whatever and screw up my whole video, my whole audio. So just a little heads up that this is the T7i. I don't know if the other cameras do it. I'm assuming that they all do it. So just keep that in mind. You attach that external mic and you start getting that clicking noise, and apparently that's what it is. Ugh, so frustrating. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to share this real quick.